I've made lots of little pop-up cards with all of our little characters out in the snow scenes. But then I had the little Nutcracker felt mice here, and they needed to be doing something inside. So I came up with a clever plan for you. I've done a pop-up card again using the same number three, one up and one forward, and that gives me the structure. And simply by using different colors of paper, you can see here that I've planned out my standard A2 card, and then I took the light brown or whatever color you might want for the floorboards, and I made a full card out of that. And then I made a half panel out of whatever color you want for the wall. And then this is simply one little strip of white paper. I took my ruler and a color pencil and I drew two little lines to make it look like a baseboard and glue all of that together flat, and then die cut your number three dies going each way on the card, and that's all it takes here. And now you can see, if we put our little dancer in the front, and look at there, isn't that fun? And so you've got it for the little dance floor there for the Nutcracker characters, but also let's say we want to have our other little felt mice. You can just look for characters that are facing the right direction here, and any of these little messages look like a little picture on the wall, and it works very nice. So we've got lots of felt mice. We've got house mouse. We can put these little characters running around the house. And we even have our puppy dogs here, and these two weren't designed together, but they look kind of fun. And then I discovered this was just really fun because these little images are just the size to create a little tiny interior here. And here we have the kitty cat eyeing the monster cocoa cup. So anyway, that gives you lots of fun ideas for all of your little indoor characters, and you can have a lot of fun with it.